Hi everybody, it's Claire with another project for the ScrapFX design team for January. So again, I'm working in the Craft Junk Journal and I am starting off using this fabulous collage paper called Coloured Numbers by Neve Bally. It's amazing, I just love the colours in it. It just speaks to me. As you know, I do love bright colours and sometimes it's something I do have to rein in a little bit. So I'm starting off adding some gel medium to the background because I am just going to stick this in. This is a great way to get rid of the blank page, instant background. You don't have to do any work or thinking yourself, and gives you a really fantastic starting point. If you're short of time, or I don't know, even in a bit of a funk and you want to create but you don't know what to do, this is a great way to get going. So again, like I say, this is from ScrapFX and designed by Neve Bally. So then once that was dry, I then used the Norma and Jean stencil and mask set with black gesso again. I'm only using black gesso because I've run out of paint and haven't got around to buying any more yet. And I'm just using that with a mini blending tool and adding in these figures, one at either side of the page, and then in the middle I'm going to stick one of the textured women shapes in the middle also. So this is a great way to create some instant impact by using something as a mask and it leaving that lovely background showing through. So then I'm using the number border stencil, which is also from ScrapFX, with some white, and just adding some areas of this back into the background. Next, once that's all dry, I'm going in with my Signo Uniball in white and just outlining these two figures. Sorry about the dog barking. Just to make those stand out even more before I add that extra figure in place. Sometimes these pens work really well and sometimes they're really naughty. Today they were behaving reasonably well. And then you notice I'm drawing there and then I'm just smudging it straight away just to kind of ground these figures and give them something to stand on. Then, like I say, this is one of the figures from the Textured Women pack. This is one of the smaller sizes. And I'm just going to use the permanent red violet light from Amsterdam Acrylic and the blending tool and just add a little bit of colour onto that figure, just so it stands out a little bit from the background. Sticking that in place using double-sided tape and glue. This is a phrase from, I think it's the Frida Kahlo phrases, and then I'm just adding some journaling onto those figures using the Signo Uniball again. This is a great way to get journaling on your page. It just helps bring it all together because you've got the writing at the top and then you've got some of your own writing on the page too. And then I'm just going to do some white splatters on the page as well. I'm not worrying too much about where they go, but really wanting them to go on the figures. Always got to clean up. I am one of those artists who tidies up as they go along. But we're all different, we all work in different ways. Then just using some double-sided tape to stick that quote in place. And then going in with my dots at the end, just more mark making on the page, breaking up the edges of the page, and I just love how it looks. And that really is all there is to this page, so just creating a lot of impact using that ready-made collage paper as a background and those fabulous Norma and Jean stencils and masks to create the impact with the figures. So thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this project, and I'll see you again soon.